Hi, this is MK Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel MK Trader. This channel is created for an educational purpose. Here I am going to share my knowledge about technical analysis. It's the price action trading. I am not a SEBI registered person. If you want to take trade based on my analysis, please keep the stop loss or else conduct your own analysis and take the trades. If you still not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the like button and share my videos, and also subscribe my Telegram channel, link in description. And once again, welcome to daily market review. That's 1st June. This is the Nifty chart, day 1 chart. In day 1 chart, price moving in a triangle pattern. So this triangle pattern broken out outside. Upper leg of the triangle pattern is broken out, so we expect a pullback to this zone. This is the 15,000 is the optimal zone for long opportunity. If any pullback happen to the 15,000 level, so then we decided to go long in Nifty. This is for a longer time frame, not for intraday. For intraday, in hour 1 time frame, price traded in ascending channel, so I expected to price hit this upper leg of the channel. So tomorrow we expect some range here from 15,600 to 15,500 range. If this range break above this 15,600, then we decide to go long, or if this range break this below, so we decided to go short in Nifty. So we expect a very good bullish move in Nifty, so only we search for long opportunity. Below this trend line we expect some correction. So tomorrow if price break below this trend line, then we decide to go for short opportunity. Price break above this area around 15,600, so then we decided to go long on Nifty. Or else if price hit this trend line, if there any reversal pattern here, we find any reversal pattern here, so then we go for long in Bank Nifty. So that's all for Nifty. This is the hour 4 chart of Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty also price traded in ascending channel, so I expected price to hit this upper leg of the channel. In between this hour 4 channel, we find one more channel in hour 1, so directional bias is very bullish, so I expected to price hit this upper leg of the channel around the 36,500 area. This is the optimal zone for seller. There is a short opportunity. If price hit this area, we search for short opportunity. Before that, is there any correction? If the price make any pullback to this area, this is the support trend line, pullback to this area. If we find any reversal pattern here, so this is a very good opportunity for long. If this happens, I will let you know. But before, in hourly time frame, price make a range channel here. So if there any pullback to this lower leg of the channel, is very good for long. Or else if this channel range break above and we wait for pullback, this area around 35,500, if break above, then we expect some pullback, then we decided to go long in Bank Nifty. Or else we expect some range here. Price is in between resistance and support zone. I expect some range. If this range break above, then we decided to go long. If this range might break below this trend line, then we decided to go short opportunity in Bank Nifty. That's all for Bank Nifty. In HDFC Bank, price breaking this descending channel upper leg, so we expect a bullish move, bullish price action in HDFC Bank. So this is the trend line is already broken out, pullback is already over, so expect some range, or if this range break above, then we decide to go long. This range is clear in hour 1 time frame and hour 4 and hour 1 time frame. So here price move in a channel way, so I expect this range. If this range may price it this area around 1400 area, this is the optimal zone for long opportunity, or else if price break above this trend line around 1500, then we decided to go long. This is the optimal area of resistance. So price in HDFC Bank traded in a channel, ascending channel, so we expect if there is any breakout happen to the outside, so we expect a very good bullish price action in HDFC Bank. In ICICI Bank, same price action, price is in between the channel area, so I expected to hit the upper leg of the channel as the resistance line. This is the support line. So anyhow, price is in a resistance zone. This is the resistance, this is support. Price traded in between the resistance and support. So this pattern, this channel, ascending channel pattern might complete to hit this upper leg of the price, hit this upper leg of the channel around 700 to 800 area. So bullish price action expected in ICICI Bank also. In Kotak Mahindra Bank, price traded in a range between 1600 to 1800 area. If this range break above around 1800, then we expect any pullback, then we decided to go long, or else if price may be expect some range here, but I expected tomorrow to break this area around 1800. So if this breakout happen with a bullish momentum candle, is there any pullback to this retest this trend line, then we decided to go long in Kotak Mahindra Bank. In SBI Bank, price facing resistance here around 450, around 430 to 50 level, 40 level. So this I expect a range in SBI. If this range break above, then we decided to go long, or else I expected a correction here. If there any price back to this trend line, this is the very good supportive trend line, price hit this trend line, then any reversal here, then we decided to go long up to this resistance area. Now price traded at the resistance zone, be careful, go long. Finally, Reliance Industry, price facing resistance here, the resistance zone, price traded in a descending channel. So within descending channel, some triangle pattern here, so this triangle pattern, upper leg of the triangle pattern is broken out. So now price facing resistance here, if there any pullback to this area around 2000, this is a very good opportunity for long, or else if price break this resistance zone, the resistance trend line above, and wait for some correction, then we go for long opportunity in Reliance Industry. That's all for tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Have a profitable Tuesday.